Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Miss Richmond. What's your name? Today is a great day for learning. Are you ready to learn with me? If you're ready to learn, clap your hands 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Thank you for clapping and counting with me. When we talk about the day of the week, we say the name for the day of the week. I'm going to show you the days of the week. These are the words for the days of the week. I will say them for you. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's say them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the words for the days of the week. There's a favorite song I like to sing during carpet time for the days of the week. Let's sing the days of the week song together. If you don't know the song, that's okay. Just follow along. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job. Now that you know the song, let's sing it loud and clear. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job. Thank you for helping me sing the song for the days of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday. Can you think of what letter Sunday starts with? S. That's right. S makes the S sound. I wonder what other words start with the letter S. I can think of a few too. Sun, star, soup, sad, and snake. You came up with some great words too. I wonder what the weather is like today where you are. What's the weather like today? Just take a look outside. What's the weather where you are? Is it sunny, rainy, cloudy? Take a look outside your window. What did you see in the sky? It's sunny where I am today. I love to read a good book on a sunny day, and I want to share a special story with you today. It's called City Shapes. When I look at the cover of the book, I can see the title of the story, I can see the author and the illustrator. What's an author? That's right, that's the person that writes the words in the story. And our author today is Diana Murray. What about the illustrator? What's their job? That's right, those are the people that make the beautiful pictures for our stories. Our illustrator today is Brian Collier. I wonder what our story is going to be about today. If you guessed shapes, then you're right. Let's see what shapes we find in our story today. I see lots of blocks of shapes and sizes and colors. When you look at the title of the story, I see a shape in the story, or in the title, right here where the eye is. Instead of a dot for a circle, there's a star. A pigeon takes flight through the bright cityscape, exploring the scenery, shape after shape. The city is bursting with shapes of each kind, and if you look closely, you know what you'll find. A truck rumbling by to deliver the mail. A silvery cart with hot pretzels for sale. And stacks of brown packages hauled up the stairs. What shapes do you see? I see square boxes, circles, wheels on the cars that go round and round. Some shapes in the city are on-the-go squares. Some vehicles look like certain shapes. We know they have circles for their wheels, but sometimes trucks look like boxes, which are rectangles. A skyscraper covered in shimmering glass, a long metal bench near a green patch of grass, and a table with glittery scarves and gold bangles. Bangles are those bracelets, and they look just like circles. Some shapes in the city are dazzling rectangles. Look at the buildings. They're tall rectangles. So are the windows. There are so many rectangles in a city. The seaport with all its flowing white sails, and there in the market, the pointy fishtails and colorful flags on a banner that dangles. What different shapes do you see? I see a circle, a triangle, more rectangles. Some shapes in the city are gleaming triangles. Look at all the different colored triangles. The sunglasses worn by a cop on his beat, the wheels of the taxi that zip down the street, and a manhole that leads to the pipes underground. What shapes do you see? I see lined rectangles, circles, squares. Some shapes in the city are circles, so round. I see bubbles, balloons. What shapes do you see? At sunset, the city is softly aglow as chit-chatting crowds hustle-bustle below. When off in the distance a melody hums, it's hard not to follow the sound of the drums. What shape is the top of a drum? It goes around, just like a circle. The stage in the park where the instruments sing. Some shapes in the city are ovals that swing. They're talking about the lights. And nearby, the kites seem to dance in the sky. Some shapes in the city are diamonds that fly. Look at all the colorful kites. Each of them are a shape of a diamond. The sun fades away into a hazy blue dark, and soon there's a twinkle, a glimmer, a spark. Scattered up high above the buildings and cars, some shapes in the city are faraway stars. The pigeon flies back through the night cityscape as city lights sparkle shape after shape. But her heart starts to ache for the shape she loves best, the shape that is home. Her warm circle nest, where the whirring and beeping of cars rushing by helps her fall fast asleep like a sweet lullaby. And that's the end of our story for today. What kind of shapes did you see in the story? I saw a lot of rectangles. That's right. There were a lot of rectangles in our story, and there's lots of rectangles that we see every day. Can you think of things that look like a rectangle? I think a door, a tabletop. Those are all examples of rectangles. Can you draw a rectangle? Let's try. Take your pointer finger and start at the top. Go over, down, over, back up. That's how you draw a rectangle. Let's try again. Over, down, over, and back up. That's a rectangle. Now you know how to draw a rectangle. Another shape that I saw in our story was a circle. That's right, a circle. Circles are a very cool shape. They go around and around. Can you think of some things that are the shape of a circle? I can think of a few. The moon, a sticker, a cookie. Those are all things that look like a circle. Can you draw a circle? Let's try. Get your pointer finger out. You start in one spot and you go around till you get back to the beginning. That's how you make a circle. Let's try again. Great job. Now you know how to draw a circle. Another shape that I saw in the story was a triangle. That's right. Triangles are a very cool shape. They have 3 sides and they're pointed on the edges. Can you think of some things that look like a triangle? I can. A piece of pizza, a roof, a cone. Those are all things that are shaped like a triangle. Do you know how to draw a triangle? Let's try with our pointing finger in the air. Start at the top, go down, across, and back up to where you started. That's how you make a triangle. Let's try again. Start, down, across, and back up. Next time you're outside, I would like to know what kind of shapes you find. Thank you for joining me today. It was great learning with you guys. When I say goodbye to my friends, I always sing them a goodbye song. Do you know any goodbye songs? We can learn one today. My favorite one is Time to Say Goodbye. Are you ready to learn it with me? Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, goodbye, everyone. Now that you know the song, I would like you to sing it with me. Are you ready? Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, friends.